Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Take only what resonates. Pwede ka makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Kung makakarelate ka, pwedeng hindi 100%. And, yeah, if you want, pwede ka magpa-personal reading, Jane Tarot Reader. Search mo siya sa Facebook. And ako naman po, nagbibigay ako ng astrological reading until end of August 2024. Habang hindi pa ako masyadong busy ngayon. And if you want, mag-message ka na lang doon sa virgophilippines@gmail.com. Meron na tayong GCash ngayon for 1,500 astrological reading itong ina-offer ko. Ayan, may kasama siyang tarot advice. If you are interested, message me doon sa Gmail. Okay, let's start. This is for Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Sana mag-comment ka kasi ma-appreciate ko yung comment. Nagpapakita yun ng malaking suporta sa akin. Tsaka nagaganahan ako mag-reading kahit po pagod na ako. Minsan nakapag-reading pa ako. Because of your comments, nagaganahan po ako dyan. The strength card is here. Kahit heart-heart lang guys. The strength card, the 8 of Pentacles, and the justice card. Okay, I can see you very busy. Huwag ka masyadong busy. Diba? With the strength card, Leo energy, I feel like you're doing your best pagdating sa iyong career. The justice card, this is showing us you na parang tinatry mong i-balance ang iyong buhay ngayon. Balance maybe pagdating sa iyong career with regards to your family. The Ten of Wands, I feel like you are the kind of person na kahit pagod ka na, pinupush mo pa rin. And masyado mong inaako kasi lahat eh. Masyado mong inaako. Minsan kahit hindi mo na kaya, sige lang, gagawin mo lang. Because I feel like marami kang responsibilidad and you're doing your best na magawa lahat ng dapat mong gawin para mabigay mo lahat ng mabibigay mo sa mga responsibilidad mo. Maybe if you do have a family, some of you could be a breadwinner, or kung hindi man, maybe maraming gastusin na ikaw ang nagbabayad. And the strength card, yeah, I feel like for now you want someone to take care of you or magpakita ng pagpapahalaga sa'yo because sobra ka nang napapagod eh. Parang kailangan mo man lang ng support sa iba. Kailangan mo man lang na may magpakita sa'yo na mahalaga ka. Parang ganun. You just want someone to take care of you. Or pwedeng pagdating sa home or sa house, if you're really busy right now, parang there are times na iba yung gumagawa ng mga dapat gagawin mo or gawaing bahay. Pwede ganun. And there are times na tinatry mong kalmahan lang. Yung words mo, ayaw mo magsalita ng hindi maganda, which is maganda. Kasi actually, you are the kind of person na totoo ka magsalita eh. Once na magsalita ka, pwedeng may masaktan. So, who is this person that you're dealing with? I can see Leo nga pala. Leo, Scorpio, Libra. This is a major arcana. The Fool is here. 2 of Pentacles. So, this person pwedeng someone na nag-offer or nagbigay na ng something sa'yo in the past. Maybe something na may value. Maybe may mga niregalo siya sa'yo na pwedeng hindi ito basta-basta regalo. This is something na may value or may halaga. The Fool is here. So, itong person na to is I feel like currently healing sa kung ano man yung ending na nangyari sa inyo. So, pwedeng may ending or may pagkakalayo or Some of you pwedeng matagal na tong ending na to. Pero hanggang ngayon nag-heal siya, nagtatry siyang mag-heal. So the Fool, I can see risky behavior mula dito sa taong ito na pwedeng ginagawa niya na kahit ito masyadong risky para lang makapag-heal siya. To the point na pwedeng, if this is an ex or a person in the past, pwedeng may mga tao siyang, sabihin na natin ginagamit as panakip-butas just to forget about you. Emotions. Anong emosyon ninyo sa isa't isa ng person na ito? Knight of Cups and the Three of Pentacles. Six of Cups. Seven of Wands. Four of Pentacles and the Sun. Sorry, this is the Seven of Wands. What's with the Seven of Wands? The Four of Cups. So, hindi niya alam or hindi siya sure kung may pagkakagusto ka pa ba sa kanya or mahal mo pa ba siya or posible pa ba itong reconciliation sa ating dalawa. I feel like with the Knight of Cups, you still love this person in the past. And with the Three of Pentacles, you're just focusing on money. Gusto mo magkaroon ng growth sa money or, pwedeng focus mo lang is career. But I feel like you still love this person in the past. Honestly, hindi ko masabi kung itong particular person na ito yon or someone else. Hindi ko masabi. But this is a past person na hanggang ngayon may emotion ka pa rin para sa kanya. Lalo na kung binigay mo lahat sa kanya, sa taong to. And with the Temperance card, I feel like you're just waiting. Or, yeah. Pwede naghihintay ka para magkaroon ng chance. Anyway, dito sa person mo, this person is feeling niya masaya ka na. Feeling niya you're okay kung nasaan ka or kung sino yung kakonect mo ngayon. So, feeling niya may kakonect ka rin na iba. And that you're already happy. Anong future events or anong future para sa inyo? For the sign of Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. For Earth sign, please. You do have here the Six of Wands, the Empress, Judgment. The Lovers, Five of Cups, the King of Wands, and the High Priestess. Queen of Pentacles. I feel like in the future you will be focusing on your self-development. Yung iba may mga skincare na pagfo-focusan in the future. Maybe regarding sa improvement sa sarili mo. You're loving yourself more than ever before. So, pwedeng may mga makatulong sa'yo in order for you na maibigay mo yung healing and love na yan para sa sarili mo. I can see you being, this kind of person na pwedeng may mga lugar or place or mga tao kang babalikan or maybe kakausapin, and you will be more open sa mga taong to. Maybe you're giving them guidance, or kung kailangan nila ng kausap, you're there to help them. Ayun yung focus mo sa future. And pagdating sa person na kakonect mo, I can see this person being in a connection in another relationship. But, because of the spiritual na connection na meron sa inyong dalawa, pwedeng itong relationship nito is hindi masyadong maging masaya para sa kanya. Pwedeng ma-feel niya na may kulang, may mali. And this person is, I feel like pwedeng makita niya lahat doon sa person na kakonect niya. And hindi siya masatisfied sa mga nakikita niya. And this person, the lovers this is Gemini energy, pero nakakita tayo dito ng relationship na pwedeng with the Five of Cups. There's a lot of sadness. Okay? There's a lot of panghihinayang. Honestly, you could be dealing with a person who is a mother figure. The Four of Pentacles is here. Four of Wands. Gusto niya ng stable home, house in the future. And pwedeng hindi niya nakikita doon sa partner niya or sa kakonect niya yung stability, yung marriage, yung happiness in the future. So, ang daming kulang. So, ang daming pinagsisisihan. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all, and bye-bye.